Hello children, today in this video we are going to do our next chapter of GK, which is hibernation. So before starting this chapter children, definition of hibernation. Hibernation is an extended period of deep sleep that allows some animals to survive extreme cold, not just winters, extreme heat can also make some animals to hibernate. So basically hibernation means that some animals go for a deep sleep. During this period when there is extreme cold or extreme hot, they go for a deep sleep to survive themselves under these conditions. So come to the exercise children. First is, its name means deep sleep mouse. It curls up in its nest to preserve body heat and goes into a deep sleep. From time to time it wakes up to eat, drink and perform other body functions. It is dormouse. Next, before hibernating, it digs and goes underground to build a nesting place. It also stores seeds and nuts in its nesting place. It is chipmunk. Next, this fish goes into a summer hibernation. Summer hibernation is also known as estivation. When weather is unfavorable and food becomes scarce, when the food becomes very less and the weather becomes unfavorable, this fish goes for the hibernation. It is African lungfish. Fourth is, it builds up fat reserves during the autumn by feeding on berries. During autumn it feeds on berries and it digs a den, lines it with grass and then goes into dormancy, then goes for a deep sleep. It is polar bear. Fifth is, it is a nocturnal animal. Its spines protect it from predators. It hibernates during winters. So its spines protect it from the other animals. It is European hedgehog. Write the spellings children properly. Last one, it is the smallest primate. It is omnivorous and its weight fluctuates during hibernation. Fluctuate means sometimes up, sometimes down, sometimes more and sometimes less. It is mouse lemur. Next children, this part no more can come to you in the form of fill in the blank or in the form of question answers. So it is, some hibernating animals wake up for short spurts during the winter months. Why they wake up? To eat and relieve themselves. Other animals sleep throughout the entire winter season, okay, without going any of them. They will not wake up, they will go for the deep sleep during this period. Next children, next exercise, it is unusual plants. Unusual plants means rare, which are not common. So children, first of all, first is, this tree is a member of the asparagus family. It is from the island of Scotta and is well known for its striking umbrella-like appearance. It is dragon tree. Also known as bottle tree, this tree originally belongs to Madagascar and can hold approximately 300 liters of water. Amazingly, it can live over 2000 years. So it is baobab. Next is, also known as Mexican hand tree. This tree bears ornate red flowers having the shape of a clawed hand. The tree had religious significance to the pre-Columbian Aztec people. It is devil's hand tree. Very clear from this only that its shape is of clawed hand. Fourth is, this plant is famous for its movement. Its small lateral leaflets rotate on the axis upon the slight influence of touch, sunshine, warmth or small vibration. So it just shows the movement when there are all these things. It is the telegraph plant. Next children, this extraordinary desert fern seems dead, but when it is put in water, it opens up and becomes all green and alive also. Otherwise it seems to be, it is not alive, okay. So it is rose of Jericho. Next is last one, also known as golden fig. This tree first grows on the branches of another tree. It actually grows on the branches of other tree. It feeds from that tree, okay. It then grows long roots, stretches around the host tree. Host tree means on the tree on which it is growing. Takes its sunlight and kills it. Kill that tree, then it takes the host tree's place. So it is strangler fig. So children, in this video we will do till this much only. Next chapters we will do in the next video. So thank you children. Write the spellings and learn the spellings properly.